Narrator or on-screen text. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture from the air into your skin. Simply apply a thin layer of raw honey to your clean face. Allow it to sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Do this a few times a week for soft, glowing skin. Aloe vera has soothing properties and is rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Scoop out the fresh gel from an aloe vera leaf and apply it directly to your face. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then wash it off with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel refreshed and radiant. Turmeric narrator, or on-screen text. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt and a few drops of honey to make a paste. Apply this mask to your face. Leave it on for about 20 minutes and rinse off. Your skin will glow with regular use. Lemon narrator, or on-screen text. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and acts as a natural astringent. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of water. Using a cotton ball, dab the mixture onto clean skin. Leave it for about 10 minutes before rinsing. Avoid direct sunlight after application. Coconut oil narrator, or on-screen text. Coconut oil is an excellent moisturizer with antibacterial properties. Warm a small amount of coconut oil in your hands and gently massage onto your face every night before bedtime. Wake up to supple, glowing skin. Cucumber narrator, or on-screen text. Cucumber cools and hydrates the skin. Grate a fresh cucumber and apply the pulp directly to your skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then wash your face with cool water. Repeat daily for a refreshed glow. Green tea narrator, or on-screen text. Green tea is packed with antioxidants. Brew a cup of green tea, let it cool down, and use a cotton ball to dab it over your face. Alternatively, green tea bags can be placed over closed eyes to reduce puffiness. Your skin will thank you. OUDRO. Smiling face graphic logo animation contact information. Follow us on social media for more health and beauty tips. Subscribe for more videos.